Hello, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today is a craft with me video. Very simple pennant flags from scrapdivadesigns.com. Be sure to check her out. I will have her linked below. It also has a hashtag. It's called scrapdivadesigns. Follow the hashtag. You can gain so much inspiration from talented crafters who use her dies. So these are what the pennant flags will look like. I love the twine. I've been playing with twine throughout this holiday season. Halloween has been very exciting for me and I've been loving my projects. Okay, so die cut all of your pieces. As far as the pole goes, I do die cut 2 solid pieces and 1 pattern paper piece. As far as the pennant flag, I die cut 1 solid piece and a pattern paper piece. I failed to mention that I did do some sewing prior to this video, so I stitched all the pennant flags ahead of time. Taking some twine, I'm using this fuchsia colored twine that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and I'm tying up some bows. And so just tie up as many as you need at first, put them aside, and put together your pole. So here's the flag pole. As you can see, I'm using hot glue. Just be very careful. I like the hot glue because of the sturdiness for pieces like this, but you will burn yourself, so caution with that. I always burn myself with hot glue, so I'm kind of used to it. So here I did glue the pattern piece and the solid piece. I'm adding the second solid piece of cardstock, and I'm going to do the rest of them off camera. I'm going to go ahead and prep that for you. I'm also doing the pennant flag, just one on camera. You can see I have a solid pink color and the pattern paper that is machine sewn. Just gluing that down with some hot glue. So I'm gluing the pennant flag to the flagpole now. I'm just adding a bit of hot glue to the edge there and then adding it to the flagpole. When adding the flag to the flagpole, I do try to keep a little gap in between the top of the flagpole and the flag, just so the bow doesn't cover the bat. I'm using the gumball add-on from scrapdivadesigns.com, and it has a bat die there, and I'm using it for the top of this flag. I think the bat is such a great size for something like this. These flags are able to be used as cupcake toppers as well. I think they would look adorable for a cupcake topper. So as well as scrapbooking, layout, some card making as well. Adding it to your paper projects, anything like that would be super cute. So here is the flag here. I love how it turned out. You can also add some spider webs to it, some ghosts as well. If you want to further embellish this flag, it would also be so cute if you did that. Here I am adding the extra piece that goes inside of the letter O. Some people leave that out. I've been known to leave it out as well, but sometimes I get into this mode where I need to be a perfectionist, which I'm not, but there's a little bit of me that sometimes wants to be a little extra and I have to add that. So this is the day that I need to be a little extra and add that extra piece in there. So for all of the flags, I do that. So there it is. I added that. So all of my pieces are prepped. All the flagpoles have been glued. All of the flags have been glued as well. I am just gonna put everything together, piecing them all together. Super simple, just 4 steps now to go. The pole, the flag, the bow, and the bat, and we are done. Add your glue of choice, your decorative bow, I'm adding the bat, adding some glue, grabbing the bat to add to the top of the flagpole, grabbing my scissors to snip off the excess off of the bow, I grab another piece to add my glue to the flag and glue it to the pole. Grabbing a bat, adding some glue and adding it to the flagpole. I grab a bow, add some glue to the top of the flag, and glue the bow on there. I love how the fuchsia twine looks on these flags. I think it just gives it a little extra cuteness, don't you? Let's make another one. So you add your glue to your flag, attach your flag to your flagpole, grab a bat, add some glue to the bat, glue your bat onto the flagpole, and now your bow. Add some glue to the top of your flag, add your bow. These flags are so easy to make and so cute. I love how cute they look with the twine. I think the twine just gives it that extra cuteness that I love. And so I think I'm gonna make one more here, same deal, adding glue and attaching all of your pieces to the flagpole, and everything is done. Be sure to fix your bow prior to gluing it. I forgot to mention that sometimes when making your bows, they come out a little bigger than you want them to be. Consider the size of the flag and also the bow. So that's what I did here, and then I glue it on. I do want to mention that the die set I used from scrapdivadesigns.com for the bat, that die set also has some eyeballs that you would be able to attach to these flags as well. It has some witch feet as well and a spider. So that die would be very useful not only for a gumball add-on but other elements of her dies. You would be able to incorporate that with other dies. So I think that's such a neat die to have when you're able to utilize it with other pieces. Well, this wraps up the video. I had so much fun making these flags, and I hope you do as well. If I inspired you today, please use my discount code. It's V10. Check out scrapdivadesigns.com. Bye.